Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today I'm unboxing Sony kit lens SEL2860 f3.5 to 5, I guess. We'll see. Okay, let's get the seal. There. Handy dandy knife out. Okay, what's inside? Inside we get this little box. And I guess nothing else. No hello, no bye. Yeah. Oh, I get these documents. F4 to 5.6, F4 to 5.6, and 2860 as I told you. This is about guarantee document and I guess manual. Okay, here it is, the box itself. The box itself. Okay. SEL2860. Linear motor, 7 circular aperture, and aspherical lens. Interchangeable lens. Full frame. Alpha. Some. And we have a documentation. Oh, this is just the warranties of different, I guess, different languages. Yeah, the manuals. Oh yeah, and this one was Lithuanian. Yeah, other languages. And here we have a lens itself. Nothing else in the box. Cool orange-ish box. And here we have the lens itself. Okay, it's kind of more or less lightweight. I like that. Little cover. Okay, F4-F5.6, 2860. What else? 0.3 meter to 0.45 meter minimum autofocus. I guess focus. And there's, keep taking off. Oh, and that's how it just retracts. So it's like it's this some sort of function to make it more carryable. So it's, you just spin it, and now it's I guess 70 or 28 millimeter. There's no, oh yeah, so it's 28 and you spin it at 60 and then you spin it, yeah, to the right side and it's abstracted. Here you go. Damn. And the focus ring, of course, it's just ring for the camera system. It's not manual focus. Well, at least this is manual. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching it. Press like, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe. Bye.